Coma mierda.
Ella abrió todas estas mierdas, mira. ¡Ahí quédate!
Friday night turned into an emergency situation in western El Salvador as a powerful storm triggered widespread flooding across the city of Santa Ana. Heavy rainfall, which continued non-stop throughout the night, caused major streets to flood, paralyzing traffic and disrupting daily activities. In several central areas, vehicles were reported struggling to move as rising water levels quickly spread across the roads.
Fuerte ventarrón.
Severe weather impacts were also reported around the campus of UNICAES, where strong winds and intense rain created hazardous conditions for students and staff. The storm system had been forecast to move from the northern region toward the western part of the country, but its intensity increased faster than expected. Meanwhile, flooding expanded into residential neighborhoods such as Colonia El Palmar and Barrio El Ángel, with water entering homes and surrounding areas. Additional reports indicated that heavy rainfall also hit the northern region near Metapan, extending toward the border area of Nueva Concepcion, lasting nearly 2 continuous hours. In Nahuizalco, the storm brought intense lightning activity and rapidly dropping temperatures, further worsening conditions. The severe weather also affected the surroundings of Hospital Nacional San Juan de Dios de Santa Ana, where disruptions were reported near the hospital area. Authorities continue to urge residents to remain alert and closely follow official weather warnings as the situation develops.